So I'm just sitting here still working on my cold bag of pasta and watching the sunrise. So right now I'm just chilling in this field off the trail, watching the sunrise and eating my food because I didn't eat breakfast this morning and I've already been walking for about an hour, so I was starving. And I'm hiking to Logroño today, which is about 8 kilometers from Viana, which is where I was. And it's not even 7:30 yet, so I don't want to get there super early. And I've already been walking for about an hour and there are no stops along the way, so it'll be the first city I hit. So I'm just taking my time because the albergues don't open until around noon or 1 o'clock. So the sun is up now. I ate some pasta, drank water, took some painkillers for my knee that's bothering me. My knee's been bothering me for like 2 days now, but I wanted to push through and get to a bigger, cooler city that I could hang out in for the day because the small ones have literally nothing to do. Like, I'm not gonna hang out in a church all day. So now I can relax in Logroño, which is a big city and there's stuff to do, and I'll let my knee heal a little bit. I've seen a lot of people sending their bags ahead on this stretch of the Camino, and it's really cool because what you can do is have your albergue send your entire bag ahead to the next city, the next hostel where you'll be staying, and only pay like 5 euros or so, and then just bring a day pack. So a lot of people have just like a tiny drawstring bag with the water and snacks, or like they're walking with literally nothing, just a stick. So that's pretty cool because some people have like 10-kilo bags, which is like killing them. 606 kilometers to go. So there's Logroño. It's a huge city. The population is over 150,000, so definitely have some stuff to do here. There's so much litter everywhere in this city. So now I'm just sitting here eating more pasta. I've almost eaten all of it, so I'm pretty proud of myself. So I'm in the city center of Logroño, and it's so dirty and crowded, and people are cleaning up the streets for the wine festival today, and I can tell it's going to be just really busy and loud, and I wouldn't really choose to stay here, but I cannot continue on because my knee is hurting. I just went to the grocery store and I bought a ton of stuff, and it was only 7 euros. So that will be my lunch and my dinner today, and possibly my lunch tomorrow. So I arrived to my albergue, but it's a really big one, and I'm sad because they don't have a kitchen that I can use. They only have a microwave, and I just bought a bunch of food to cook. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that. So right now I'm just chilling on this bench in the middle of Plaza del Ayuntamiento in Logroño, and parades keep going by, and there's a lot of music, and it smells like really good food, and it's just a very cool festival. I just went back to the grocery store I went to earlier and asked them if I could return my stuff, and I explained that I don't have a kitchen at my albergue, but the lady said no, so I just bought more stuff instead. So I went back and bought this microwave rice because there's a microwave we can use, but there are no like bowls or an oven or a stove or anything. And then I can add the beans and the onion and the mango. And then I'll just carry this because this isn't very heavy, but my concern was this because this is very heavy and I don't want to carry it all day tomorrow. And yesterday I was telling people how I wanted a book to read because I always need something to do in the afternoons, and my friend had finished The Alchemist, and so she gave it to me. So now I'm going to chill here and read it. My conclusion is that I like the smaller cities better. I'm just sitting out here in this little outdoor room where people can smoke. So today I spent almost the entire day walking around Logroño and sitting and like reading and writing, and I don't think I talked to anyone for like 4 hours straight. I've been gone for exactly 1 week and it feels like a month. Like, it's crazy because I'm so immersed in the culture here now that I can't even imagine being back in North Carolina. And disclaimer for everyone watching this, I have a lot of friends and a lot of young people and girls, and not just middle-aged foreign men, but they're the only ones who want to be in the videos, and so I'll start asking more people and then show some variety. There is only a microwave here, so I'm gonna try to make my whole dinner here with no plates, no utensils, and just a microwave. This is my cutting board for my mango and my onion to add to my rice, and my knife, the same one from day one. Today was honestly a pretty boring day, but it was nice to just chill and hang out, and I'm ready for a longer day tomorrow. It's about 30 kilometers, which is further than I've done in previous days. So we'll see how my knee is feeling, but I'm gonna take some more ibuprofen and hope for the best. And people are saying that if you walk through your injuries or like your pain for a few days, then they usually go away because you're just hiking, you're not like running or anything, so you're not really worsening it. So I'll try to do that. And it's almost 9 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna go to bed in about an hour. I'm gonna go brush my teeth and get ready for bed and set up because people start going to bed early. I don't wanna be loud. So I will see you guys tomorrow.